distracting, babe. Wada, show.
Espresso from Outin. What else? Just at the let's say picnic, we can say, within this beautiful park. Asia is already digesting by making some exercise, and now I want a coffee, but everything it's very far from here. So we have this beautiful portable electric espresso machine from Outin, and we're gonna try for the first time. Let's see how we test. Yeah, I am a coffee lover. I always drink at least 2 or 3 coffee a day, so I'm very looking forward to this portable, because we resolved all our problem, you know. So many times when I'm in a park or in the beach that there is nothing, I'm looking for a coffee, and finally we got the solution to our problem. Okay, let's start. We are lucky because we have also the running water. Have you seen the water there, eh?
Ah, see, let's get the water
so
first.
let's start.
Let's get the water first.
Here, okay.
Hey,
The water here. Sabe. Okay.
You can use a cold water.
As a caution, before each usage, we should purge some cold water, and I'll show you. Oopla.
Cold water, no?
This is cold. Yeah.
Very cold.
Not very cold, but it's yeah, more than normal temperature. It's better than the standard temperature. So, as a part of the clean and maintenance guideline, Outin recommend to run the device once before each use by pouring some cold water and double clicking the power button.
Anyway, they can read
What
everything there.
you achieve by doing this, not only you clean the inner part, which is not our case because it's very clean, but it prevents the coffee from not coming out. So you have 2 solutions with 1 action. So let's put some of pouring water, babe. This is our machine. We're gonna remove. it.
Move this one, move. Why?
So we're pouring some cold water. Okay, we just double click the power button. Okay, and now it's cleaning up the inner parts, and it will ensure that the coffee will come out. Okay, we're finally ready to prepare our first coffee from Outin. So ideally you should put 50 millimeter of water, and as a result of that you will get 30 millimeter of coffee. So let's start to order some coffee, and you have oh look, fantastic, that's the measurement. So you need a full cup, little cup. That's it. You put that one inside there, as you can see. And remove a bit. Okay.
No, this is like that.
Super. That sounds good. Very good. Very easy. We put that.
Cover.
You need to close it.
This is the cover. This is the cover, no?
That's the cover, Isabel. Isabel.
Isabel, aspetta lang.
The cover. Yeah, that's just by clicking it. Yeah, super beautiful.
Wash this first with little bit. And we put the water here.
I'm not sure if it's visible
It's
there,
visible,
but
it's visible,
it's 50 millimeter. It will be the first line. That's the way it is. Stop.
50, there are 50, 70 ml. Yeah.
That's for two people, of course. The more coffee you want, or if you want a bit lower.
No.
So now we put the water, put the coffee, and next action will be to press the power button. Maybe you don't see, it's gonna come out inside here, no?
See.
Oh.
Wait.
See, it's working, it's working. It is working now.
Papa, coffee that, coffee.
Coffee.
Is it
Start extraction now. Can you see the coffee there? Shall we show?
Remove it. You want to show. Wait, dai. Wada, show.
Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. I will show you once it's done.
Done. Let me see.
Look at that, pure.
Mamma mia. Pure coffee.
Smell it.
Strong. I don't drink coffee, but it's strong.
You can see what the cream, the crema. Let's try.
Very hot, huh?
Wow. I love it. It's beautiful. Very good. Espresso from Outin. What else? This is the publicity from Kevin, who's that actor with George Clooney. Pure Espresso. What else?
Tony's drinking coffee in
Outin
the
Espresso.
park.
What else? Very good. Very good. Very recommended.
How is it?
Very good. We have finally we have what we were missing. You know, a coffee machine to bring wherever we want. We can charge in the car.
Yes.
We charge in the car, so we have unlimited access to coffee.
Yes, because you are a coffee lover.
Or addict.
Coffee addict.
Addict.
So guys, if you would like to purchase this portable Outin espresso machine, you can use our link in the description box below, and to enjoy the 10% discount.
10%, yeah, very good.
We have 10% discount. Just use our code.
So,
So,
we greatly
we-
recommend
yeah.
this, guys, because doesn't mean so you don't have to drink coffee. You can also have
yes,
it's
yes,
a good
yes,
idea
yes.
for
It's
present.
Very, yeah, it's very good. Wow, it's really good present for regalo. No?
Oh, regalo, sì, claro.
Regalo, sì, it's very good regalo. Wow, they will really like it, and
It looks like it's so little. It's amazing
yeah,
that
really,
something
because
like
you know
that.
why? I can just put it in my bag because usually I have my
Wow, you
I
get.
have my bag and then I
Yeah.
can just put it like that.
Can you believe that if you tell, hey guys, I have a coffee machine.
Yeah.
Where? Where is it?
Outin. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So if you'd like to buy, just use our link to get a 10% discount. Yes. Thank you. Ciao.
How are you?